وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا, and we create you in pairs. قُلْ رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا, my Lord, increase in knowledge. وَاصْبِرْ عَلَى مَا أَصَابَكَ, and be patient over what befall you. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ, and we have not sent you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, except as a mercy to the worlds. Innal hasanati yuzhibna sayyiat, surely good deeds erase bad deeds.